Hi, I'm Tammy, and this is All About Living. And today, I have my grandson in the kitchen. And we're going to have a really simple dinner. We're just going to have grilled pork steaks with applesauce. You know, kind of like the Brady Bunch. We're going to have pork chops and applesauce. And we're going to get started right now.
I'm not touching non-cooked applesauce.
All right, we got it open. It's open. All right, lift it off. All right. Next can.
I'll do it.
I know. We're just going to get a really low flame on a small eye because we're really basically warming it up. Oh,
do I pour it?
Yep, just pour it right in. Okay.
At least we got another can.
Next can. I might clean that up. Next can.
And that's about it.
Yeah.
So everyone like and subscribe if you're enjoying me mess up.
Yep, you can see we mess up. I'm gonna have to do a little damage control.
From emotional damage me.
Alright.
From little me.
Not
There's a flame.
Yeah, there's a flame.
Might as well.
Grandma's watching what she's doing. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna get some brown sugar in there.
I'll do it.
No, I'll do it this time.
Next, can I do it? Can I do it next? Can I do it next?
Okay. Right here, we have butter.
I want to do it.
Okay. Just scoop in there. It's
How
already
much?
melted. That scoop. All the way full. All the way full. Hold on. Don't get too carried away. Alright, now you can drop it. Right in there. Bang it a little.
Accidentally stepped on your
Yep,
foot.
that's okay. Alright, we got that done.
Now time for the next ingredient, guys.
Pretty much that's it. We're gonna, oh goodness, we're gonna find a good
Stir.
spoon here that's got,
I'm gonna stir. Can I stir, please?
yes, you can stir. Let's incorporate that all together.
So guys, while I'm doing this, like and subscribe. If it's not red, make it gray. If it's not gray, make it gray. Okay, guys?
Okay, good job. Good job. Oh, bang, bang, bang. Get the
What a
lid.
bing bang.
All right, now we're going to get those pork steaks. We're going to get this one lit. And we're going to go for a medium to medium high flame. And we are going to let this get hot. Our pork steak is very, very simple. We're going to put salt, pepper, and garlic on it. That's it. But we are going to season both sides. And then salt and pepper is relative, how much ever you like on your food. That's how much you put. We kind of like, we err on the side of excess a lot of times. Especially pepper. We love pepper. We're just going to take a tablespoon or two, just a little bit. Kind of move it around. Go. And then we're just going to set those steaks. Hear that sizzle? My pan was good and hot. They're a little large, but we're going to make it happen anyway. Okay, we're just going to give that another little stir, about 4 or 5 minutes in. Just make sure that butter's melting and that your sugar is melting and that it's all going together. Put the lid back on. What'd you and Papa do today?
We did wires, the rolled up wires from today. Oh, and if you saw that video, make sure to like it.
All right. He wants y'all to like our videos. He says it every 4 or 5 minutes, so you go, Carter. Meals do not have to be complicated or hard or have a ton of ingredients to be good. Pork chops and applesauce was one of my kids' absolute favorite meals. They use the applesauce like a dipping sauce. So I would just have 1 extra veggie, the pork, and the applesauce, and they would just dip that applesauce till all their pork was gone. It's quick, easy, very, very inexpensive, and I don't know what else to say about it. It's just really good. We're going to get this flipped. Nice and golden brown. Get this other one in there. There we go. Move that pan just a little bit. We're going to leave it on this side probably another 5 minutes. All right, I'm going to test this one for done. Okay, I've opened it up and it's done, and my juices are clear. There's no red, so we are good without being dry. Carter wants to turn the pork steak. Yeah, you're doing good. In you go. Lift up. All right. We're going to get this all plated up.
But everybody, make that subscribe button great and like and comment. Goodbye.
Good night, y'all.